Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll take you through how I came up with this site. It is a sort of a consultancy services site made with Next.js, Typescript. This is front end. I used JSONs. I will show you. There is no database here. This is typically the UI, only the UI. So I'll take you through how I did this, but before, I would like to thank those that have managed to subscribe and are following content. I like the comments. Feel free to comment. I like criticism. I like it so much, so feel free to comment anything that is in relation to the content we do upload, because it is from the comment section that we get to improve and get better with this. So subscribe, hit the bell button, and follow along with me. I have two projects. I have two demos on my site. That is one is a logistics website, another one is a tours and travel website. You can check them out. And so proceeding with today, I have this is our site. Basically, this is a site for a company doing consultancy services and sort of tech supply of services and goods, and basically that it is dealing in construction and some other services. So basically our aim is to look at how we came up with this, and this is it. I came up with this is our hero section with a carousel. I use Typescript. There are so many alternatives, but I prefer Typescript. I'm comfortable with it. I think in the near future I'll share other libraries that I use, but this is good. It does the work. These banners are made. You can head to Canva, you design one, you make sure the dimensions are okay, then we can apply. So this is basically it. Well, this is some kind of carousel as well. These are the different services listed here. I will show you how we came up with this in the source code. The source code for this is free. You can grab it. I'll share a link to my GitHub. Okay, this is it. Not complete, still having so much to change, but it portrays what we want. Subscribing to newsletter. This is it. Okay, I'll head to the about us page. That's the home page. This is the about us page. The mission and vision, team, and to the services page. Okay, these are the services, and these services are coming right from I made an array of services and I had to map through. So this is it, and If we come to one, we shall visit this the detailed page of the service, and this is it. If we come to this looks okay. That's basically it. We have the blogs whereby these are listed. This is it. We have the contact us page. This is the form. The contact us form. You can follow this. Well, I think these are the only pages we do have. These are just services. When you click here, I think it will take you to the detailed page of that service. So basically, I will show you behind the scenes what's happening, and this is it. We have our app here, we have our application here, and I normally use app routing. These are my components that I've used. I have backend. I plan to add a dashboard for this at a later stage, so that's why I came up with this folder of a backend. I have front end whereby I have all the components that I'm using. This is it. So when I go to my app front end, these are different pages. I have services, and this is my main page with all the components, the stats, the carousel, newsletter, team, blog. This is it all. And here I have a layout with a nav bar, and I think a footer plus this WhatsApp button. And these are my different pages. These are services. This is the about component. If I can navigate to this is all we have. So what I will do, I will take you right to the services page. This is the services page. Okay, on the services page I've got this and as I told you, we don't have a database, any database here, nothing like Prisma, nothing like MongoDB as usual. So what I did is I went to okay, I have this file here. I made an array of services here. I gave them IDs and everything. I think you can see this is my array. And when I came to the services page, I had to, of course, the types. When using Typescript, that is so crucial. And after defining the types, I came and had to call the services from the services. I had to call the services from services, and then I call this as an array of services because it is an array, of course. Typescript requires you to do so. And I had to pass this to the all services component where I'm listing all the services, and I had to take services as services. When I come to this, I receive these as props services, and then okay, this was before. I think I can remove this. So this is it, taking in this as props, and it's very easy. The only thing I did was to map through all the services, and it's the magic here. If we come to services, and this is it, this is what I got. I've got the service image, title, I've got the description, I've got the ID and a read more, and this, we are sending this to this ID. That is a detailed page. When I hover here, I think you can see somewhere services stroke ID 2, whereby on clicking on this it will take me to the detailed page, and this is the detailed page. We are using ID, you can use Slug, anything you want. We have this, and this is the detailed page. So I take in a params, ID, of course have to define the types, and then this time I'm taking one service, and then I receive these as props here. I receive the service, and I just have to map through all this. This is simple as that. This is how I came up with this. Feel free to subscribe and hit the bell button for more content. More is coming. I think I'll share a dashboard for this at a later stage, but this is it. Upcoming, I'll be going through how I made a non-profit organization website. Sorry, I think my internet is down. Okay, but next I think I'll be showing you how I came up with a non-profit organization website. I needed to show you this. I think I can get it locally. My internet is down. I think I can get it down as I work on my internet. It should be here. Okay, it should be this. Okay, I just want to show you how npm run dev, hoping it will work without internet, because I have databases connected onto this and I need internet to fetch the data. I'll say this is localhost 3000. Hoping this will work. Let's check on my internet. I think it's back. I'll just have to show a hosted version of this. Can't connect. Okay, I think this has come. Okay, I knew we should be having these issues because of internet, but anyway, I'll share this to be a non-profit organization website with a dashboard, with multi-languages, made with Typescript, of course, MongoDB, and Prisma, Tailwind, CSS, and on top of that, still coming up with more, API for Node.js lovers. I will show you how I developed my API, how I implemented documentation using Swagger. I will show you how to host your API without using services like Heroku, using services like Ray, because these guys from time to time have been cutting off the free tier, and for learning purposes you need to host to free platforms. So I'll show you how we can do that. So keep on the channel, subscribe, hit the bell button. At any time, at your service. Thank you. Be blessed.